Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Steps, YouTube channel where we learn English through fun, emotional, and real-life stories. Today's story is full of love, friendship, a little bit of mystery, and most importantly, lots of natural English that you can learn and use in daily life. This story is called The Lost Letter, A Journey of Friendship and Dreams. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. The Ordinary Day. Riverdale was a small town with big hearts. The sun was bright. Birds were singing. Everything felt normal. But for Emily, it was not a normal day. Emily. Good morning, Liam. Liam. Morning, Emily. Ready for school? Emily. Always. But Emily was hiding a secret. A letter. A letter that could change everything. Part 2. The Hidden Letter. That night, Emily sat by her window. She picked up her pen and wrote, Dear Liam, I've wanted to say this for a long time. You are more than just my best friend. I think I'm falling in love with you. Your friend, and maybe more. Emily, her hands shook. Her heart was beating fast. Emily, what if he doesn't feel the same? She put the letter in an envelope. I will give it to him tomorrow. Part 3. The Lost Letter. The next day she kept the letter in her bag. At lunch the wind blew. The letter flew out. Emily. No! Come back. She ran after it. But it was gone. Liam. Emily? What happened? Emily. Nothing. Just chasing the wind. Part 4. A stranger finds it. The letter didn't disappear. It landed near a student named Jaden. He was new and quiet. He liked poetry. Jaden. Dear Liam. He paused. This is beautiful. He looked around. He didn't know who wrote it, but he kept it safe. Part 5. The secret revealed days past. Emily said nothing. One day, Jaden stood in the poetry club. Jaden. I found a letter. It touched me. I want to read it. Everyone listened. He read the letter. Liam looked shocked. That's Emily's handwriting. He saw her in the back. She looked down. Part 6. Truth and Tears. After the club, Liam came to her. Liam, why didn't you tell me? Emily, I was scared. I didn't want to lose you. Liam, I always wished you felt the same. She cried. He smiled. They hugged. Not just friends anymore. Part 7. A New Beginning. Emily and Liam took it slow. They talked and shared dreams. Jaden became a friend too. He started writing poetry. Emily, you changed my life, Jaden. Jaden, you helped me speak from my heart. What we learn. This story teaches us 1. Say what you feel. 2. A small letter can change a life. 3. English is easier with stories and feelings. English. Practice words. Ordinary. Normal. Envelope. Letter cover. Pounding. Strong heartbeat. Embarrassed. Shy courage. Being brave sentences. Now you wrote a letter. Write your own short letter. I told the truth. Easy words. Now you try. Write to a friend. Write your own short letter. If you enjoyed the story, write comment, to a friend, and subscribe to Easy English Steps. If you enjoyed the story, what would you do if you were Emily? Subscribe to Easy English Steps. Let's learn English. Step what would you do if you were Emily?